Data centers contain plenty of servers, each with hundreds of ports. To most people, they look like an impenetrable tangle of plugs, sockets and cables. But the system administrator knows where everything belongs. He can spot malfunctions and knows which cables to pull out. Once the data networks in company XYZ have been set up and connected by the technician, everything's up and running perfectly. But over time, new employees join the company, and the network expands to include new computers, telephones and servers. Entire departments move to different floors. Ms. Smith moves into the office that used to belong to Mr. Jones, who's now taken over what used to be Miss Brown's desk, and so on. Moving the coffee mugs around only takes a minute, but the computer cables also have to be reconnected. Work needs to proceed smoothly. The boss is pestering everyone to get on. The system administrator is breaking out in a sweat. What are they going to do? Previously, it was like this. All the connections were neatly written down on a sheet of paper or in a Microsoft Excel file. Each port is reconnected one after the other. That means pulling out the patch cable, consulting the list, finding the new port, and inserting it again. But that takes hours, and the administrator's attention may start to wander. He doesn't notice that he's skipped a line or two in the list and begins pulling out cables and inserting them in the wrong ports. Ms. Smith, Mr. Jones and Ms. Brown start complaining. Their telephones are completely out of action. It's obvious that something's gone wrong. The computers start to crash. Machines controlled by the company network suddenly fail. The boss is going mad. It's complete chaos. But now there's a solution: the TransPen. The software on the administrator's computer knows exactly where each cable needs to go. The technician transfers the assignment to the TransPen via Bluetooth. He goes to the cabinet with the TransPen and quickly finds the right panel and ports. The technician can see immediately on the pen's display whether the port is correct. He pulls out the cable and inserts it where it's supposed to go. "Job done correctly," says the TransPen to the computer software. It's time to move again, but this time there's no chaos whatsoever. Ms. Smith, Mr. Jones and Ms. Brown pat the technician on the back, and the boss hasn't been this relaxed for ages.